name is Surya Fatri binti Muhammad Ridwan, and I'm going to explain about the introduction of induced polarization method. So induced polarization method is an electric phenomenon stimulated by the current observed in Earth's materials as delayed voltage response. The method to explore the subsurface of buried mineral deposits is of practical importance. Geophysically, induced polarization refers to a resistive blocking or electrical polarization of Earth's material, and in fluid-filling pores, the process is most pronounced alongside metallic minerals. Therefore, the induced polarization effect is most strong in the vicinity of rocks containing metallic luster. The precise relationship between induced polarization and mineralization is nevertheless complex.
The geographical distribution of low-frequency resistive and capacitive characters of soil can be determined using induced polarization methods. The IP technique has a lot of potential in terms of hydrogeophysical applications. The approaches may be used on a variety of laboratory and field sizes, and surveys can be carried out in a variety of geometrical configurations, for example on the soil surface and down boreholes. However, the IP method has limited application in hydrogeophysics, which is in contrast to resistivity methods. This may be due to more difficult data gathering process, and also due to the fact that physiochemical interpretation of IP parameters are not well known. Basic measurement principle. The resistive and capacitive properties of soil are measured in an IP survey. According to Siegel, 1959 has defined apparent chargeability MA in a formula equation, where MA equals to Vs over Vp, where Vp are the primary voltage and Vs are the secondary voltage.
For the methodology, induced polarization work will reflect the degree to which the subsurface can store electric charge analog to the capacity. India Tini researched two parameters which are resistivity and chargeability, which very well distinguish the metal mineral contained in rock. The case study took place in Chandra area to investigate the distributions of the gold mineralization zone. The induced polarization data with a total 9 lines were obtained using the dipole-dipole configuration with n equal to 1 to 6 and 20 meters of electron spacing. Ref2D and Rockwood 15 model has been used in this research. In Moreira research, the case study located at South Brazil. The investigation performed through the electrical resistivity and the chargeability, same as before. In time dominant were 3 parallel lines of the electrical topography in dipole-dipole arrangement, with 5 meters spacing between the electrodes and 10 meters between lines.
Induced polarization method can be applied on any subsurface investigation or geological identification. Induced polarization can determine or identify of geological with combination of DC resistivity method. From this combination, it can produce 2D and 3D modeling and reveal the position of mineral zone in subsurface. Lateral field inspection revealed no indication of a cycle load in the mining exhibitions. The geographical distribution of load bodies in the study area was caused by deformational processes that occur in the geological past. The addition of hydrothermal fluids to this system led in the formation of veins and lodes, which were sometimes unconnected and represented by a complex system of quartz veins with widespread gold and sulfides. This interaction of components, as well as the impact of structural architecture on the shape and composition of epithermal gold mineralization, has been studied in a number of different deposits. Resistivity and chargeability values are grouped into 3 categories, which is low, medium, and high. The research area zone is interpreted using a combination of resistivity and chargeability data. The resistivity and chargeability values define the type and characteristic of the layer zone, whether it is zone of saturated water layers, alteration, gold mineralization zone, or unaltered volcanic rocks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazir bin Zaidan, and my metric number is the F170034. So for the conclusion is the proven potential in the recognition and detailing of mineral deposit, speed and versatility in the combined equation through the induced polarization by tomographic equipments, incentive for the use of geophysics in planning and mining activity. For the setting of mineralized zones in mining fronts or in a work for the increase of reserve within the limit of deposit previously recognized, complement by sampling and quantification of thermal. That's all for me. Thank you very much.